So kids, we were doing Alfred Marshall welfare-oriented economics definition, in which we were on the third point. It says that study of material wellness. Study of material wellness is also studied in economics. Until it is of no use to human being, then why will one earn wealth? Material wellness, material welfare is very important. It considered human factor in it, whereas in our previous theory, in my previous theory of economics, Adam Smith, we were discussing only earning of wealth. Accumulate wealth in Adam Smith's economics definition. Whereas in Alfred Marshall, it considered the ordinary man, mankind was considered. Then behavioral science, economics was taken as a behavioral science, and study of material welfare is very important in it. We attain wealth in order to get material. Right? Then fourth point. Economics is not simply study of wealth. Only we do not study wealth in it. We even study mankind in it. Alfred Marshall. M for Marshall, M for mankind. It focused its concept on mankind, human behavior, human well-being, material welfare. That's the only reason why one accumulates wealth. Right? This is the second definition of economics. Alright. Now we are going to do the third one, which is Lenin. Lenin also gave its contribution. He was also a very renowned professor, renowned economics, who gave definition of economics. He focused on scarcity of means and unlimited wants. He talked about unlimited wants and scarcity of means. By the name itself it defines. Right? Lenin-Robin scarcity-oriented definition of economics. Let us study it. Third, Lenin-Robbins. Scarcity means deficiency. Scarcity oriented. This is scarcity oriented definition of economics. We are going to study it. Okay. According to Lenin-Robbins, economics is a science. It is also a science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means. See, it studies human behavior. But with regard to what? How humans will behave when means are the resources. Resources are scarce. Resources to earn money is scarce. Money is scarce. Or then how one will be able to meet the unlimited want? Unlimited want. How one will be able to meet unlimited want when the means are scarce, very limited. So if you have 10 rupees note right? And you go to market to purchase some eatable. You see 5 rupees chips, 15 rupees chips. What will you do with 10 rupees? How your behavior will be? You will be purchasing rupee 5 chips. Why? Because you adjusted your what behavior to in order to meet your want with the limited means. This is how you behave. So we study the unlimited wants with the limited means, how the human behavior is changed. What is the reaction of a human behavior we get? That we study in economics. And economics is a science of human behavior, right? As a relation between ends and scarce means, right? So there are few key points of Lannon Robbins also, which you have to write in the examinations. First is told that wants are the ends, are unlimited. Unlimited wants. When I go to market, I want to purchase this shirt, jeans, top, eatables. So wants are unlimited. Means are comparatively means. See, when we go to market, we say, gosh, wish we would have got more money. We could have purchased this also, that also. But looking to our pocket money and purchasing capacity, we make the adjustment. And that is a human behavior. Wants are unlimited. Oh, when I go to shop, jewelry shop, I want to purchase everything. But I have to see my pocket too. That is means. Means are comparatively to wants are limited. That means wants are more than needs, right? Wants are gradable. Gradable मतलब means we can give preference, right? हम उसको preference दे सकते हैं. For example, I go to market, right? I have to purchase fruits because fruits are healthy for the body. I need to purchase fruits. I need to purchase jewelry too. I want to purchase shirt too. I want to purchase shoes too. But first preference will be my fruit. So, first preference, second preference, third preference. These are the preferences. So, it says wants are gradable. Gradable means preferences, priority can be given. Like I give priority to fruit first. Then what amount is left for? I will purchase. If I don't have clothes, I will purchase clothes. If I don't have shoes at home, then I will purchase shoes. All depends upon my priority and necessity. Right? So, third point is wants are gradable. Even if they are unlimited, they are gradable, which is required at which is required for high intensity, which is very very useful, which is very very in demand. There high necessity is there, that you will be giving first preference. So that is why it is said it is gradable. Right? Wants are gradable. We give the grade. We prioritize it. Fourth, means have alternative uses. Now, if means have alternative uses, either I will purchase this lot, right? Either I purchase fruits or I can purchase shoes. So means are having alternative uses. What if I go to market and purchase nothing? And then tomorrow I go and purchase something which were not in the list. I purchase bag, I purchase furniture. So means are having alternative uses. We can invest in share market, we can invest in forex market. Instead of purchasing this, I can invest there. But I have to see what at the moment is very much required, that I will first grade, and in case I don't want anything from this list, I can make it use in other way. With the means, I can purchase fruits, shoes, jewelry, whatever. Right? So that's why we say means are means have alternative uses. Means have alternative uses. Alternate means if not this, then this. If not this, then this. If I go to shop and the fruits get finished, I'll be purchasing shoes. So means have alternative uses. Right? So this is all about Lannon-Robbins scarcity oriented. By the name only, you will understand what is scarce. Means are scarce in nature, wants are unlimited. So we have to study human behavior in the economics. Right? We study human behavior in economics in relation to what? Unlimited wants, limited means. I gave you the example. Right? So after this, we will study types of economics. We are studying economics only. Right, we are studying economics only. To this time we have studied Alfred Marshall, we studied Lannon, we studied Adam Smith, Kautilya, how they defined economics. We studied that. Now there are two types of economics. Okay, we'll study that. In 1933, Sir Ragnar Frisch coined the term microeconomics and macroeconomics. What did I say? Learn with me only. In 1933, Sir Ragnar Frisch defined economics into two parts. Divided economics into two parts. Microchip. What is micro? Small. Macro means large. Right? Micro. When we talk about micro means small. We will be talking about individual entities. Individual entities. Right? We will talk about individual entities, and in macro we will talk about whole country. Whole country. Individual entities and individual, firm, person. Right? This will be in micro. Individual person saving, individual person investment, individual person income. But in macro, we are going to study about national income, national saving, national investment, and everything related to nation in whole sum. Right? So, we are going to study about microeconomics, individual entity. It was economics was divided into two parts. It was coined, micro and macro terms were coined by Sir Ragnar Frisch. In 1933, Sir Ragnar Frisch. Right? So, we will study about wants. First, in micro comes First thing comes in micro is wants. Kids, need. What is a need? I am feeling hungry. It is my necessity to eat something. But I want to eat chapati, burger